Today we got a case 580M Backhoe. Going to be doing a service to it, replacing all the filters, greasing it, doing any repairs we find along the way. Stacking blocks with these drain pans makes it a little bit easier. Not much room underneath to get a big drain pan. Five-gallon buckets makes a nice, easy way to get rid of your waste oil. Most of mine goes into a heater that heats my shop in the winter. Next we got filters. Primary fuel, fuel water separator. Secondary fuel, oil. That oil is kind of a booger to get to. Not a huge deal. Here's what I use. Strap wrench and the claw type. Getting this one loose because it's a booger, and last time I went to get filters they didn't have the quote-unquote correct filter, but they had a longer filter, same everything except more capacity, and it's a pain to get out of here. So anyway, that's all. You get that changed, fill her up with oil, put the fuel filter back on right there, prime the system, fire it up. That part of the service is done. If you leave a filter dirty like this, guy can't say you didn't do it. Got your fingerprints all over it. Undeniable evidence. A lot of people are gonna holler, why didn't you pre-fill your filter? You know what? Because sometimes you get dirt in your filter. That's why. What I'll do a lot of times, I leave them loose, and I'll pump on this hand primer. Pump it up, and you look, nice steady stream of fuel coming out of there, see it? Then you tighten the filter up. Bam, done.
Got no gas in it.
Not all diesels have this, but if it doesn't start right away, this one you can bleed the air out right there. It's a 10 mil. Come on now. It's so bright out here. Right here. I've already loosened it. I'm gonna crack that loose. See if we can get some air out. Here it goes. then keep pumping and get it pressurized some. Not all trucks have this anymore. That's all it is, just a little pusher. No hand prime pump. Okay. Two more filters to do here. Up here on the side of the transmission. Can you see that one there? Come on now. That's right. Make sure you get dirt in your face. It's right here. That's the transmission filter. I won't be filming that because ain't no room. And then this one's pretty easy. Hydraulic system filter. Got a little hydraulic leak. There's just a plug here. Doesn't do anything. Imagine it's a drain plug to get the last of the hydraulic oil out, but these diffs are serviced with hydraulic oil. And the hydraulic system. Pull the plug out. Here's the old one, and it's just smashed totally flat. Sorry about the out of focus. I'm covered in oil. All, as us Texans would say. The belt was worn out and had a little bit of a concave shape to it when it was installed. And EPDM belts don't crack like old ones. They just kind of wear thinner and thinner like a tire tread. So on goes the new belt. One of the things that gets missed and probably neglected the most, greasing them. I mean, there's a lot of grease fittings on these things. If you look here, and here's the other part, make sure you wipe them off, get the dirt out, or you'll just pump the dirt right in the bushings. They got them up high. There's a pivot point there, both of those on each end of the ram, right here, grease it. Hey guys, here's the process. Wipe it and grease it. Wipe it and grease it. What's next? Last part is to clean the machine off a little bit. When you're mobile like this, you don't have a pressure washer, so some good compressed air do a pretty decent job. Get most of the dirt, especially out of the radiator and the intercooler. Blow the machine off. It'll perform better, make the customer happy. Got a pretty hot summer here in Texas. Today it's 106. Getting all this dirt out of the radiator should help it cool a little better. That's it for this one. Time to head home, get some dinner, and get cleaned up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future content and check out some of the other great videos on the channel.